to the channel. It's a cousin again, back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to braid your own hair, how to do your own cornrows, right? So I know my hair is looking weird. It's because I tied it in front, and here I have like right, let's get right into it. So the first thing, you want to part your hair very straight here. Okay, I've already parted it when I was combing it, but I'm gonna part again on this side so that we have some hair to work on. So let me make it a bit bigger. Right, so you've parted, you have your section there. I think this is too big, but it's fine. So I want to put this comb this side just to have a balance so that I'm not disturbed by the other hair, right? Do that so that you're not disturbed. That's a lot. Right. Okay. And take the small strands. Right, and then you hold here, you hold the rest of the hair, and then you want to take this small section portion and then you put it on your other side, right? Depending on what side you use, whether the if you are left-handed or right-handed. I am right-handed. This is how we do it. And then you see that there's hair here as well. You want to pick that, separate it, right, and keep that intact so that your contour is neat. Keep that. With your index finger, you take what you had put on the side and then you put it on the other side, like cross it, and then this one that you took second is the one that you're gonna put this way, right? You get. Let's try again. Take another strand, right? Make sure it's steady. Take whatever you recently put on your left side, take it to the right, right? And then keep it steady. Take your new strand, put it that way, right? You're gonna continue. Strand. Take the one that's on red, on the left. Take it to the right and put this one. Right? Continue. New hair. Take it to the right. Take the old one to the right. The new one to the left. Take a new hair. Keep the balance. On the left, you take it to the right. And then this one, take it to the left. See that? It's coming, right? braid my hair quite differently compared to a lot others. I cannot braid it like this. Let me leave it. But you can see I'm using the side. Okay, it's just, you can see that I'm using the side. Like I face the side when I'm braiding my hair. Well, my arms get tired, so I rest a bit. So now you get the gist, right? Can you see that? It's braided. Then, should we do another one? It looks so crazy, but that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Keep practicing. You're gonna get there, I promise you. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.